Hello friends, welcome to yet another exciting video. I will first start with apologizing for the audio quality of the previously uploaded video, which somewhat swallowed, and I would like you to bear with me as I continue learning. Our previous video we were able to elaborate deeply on what innovation is. If you are watching me for the first time, kindly watch my video on introduction to the world of innovation so that we may move together. Today I want us to look at what innovation is not. I've been watching many projects in the YouTube and I've come to realize that there are many fake projects, and to make matters worse, the owners of the fake projects have many subscribers and also have many views, and this means that many people have been misled in the YouTube thinking that they are watching the right content, yet the content that they are watching is fake. I want us to analyze Free Energy Generator, which is a familiar project in the YouTube, and see whether it falls under a fake project or it falls under a good project. Number one, if you want to know that a project in YouTube is a good project, first analyze whether it is supported by scientific principles. If it is not supported by scientific principles, there are likelihood that that project is fake. Start with the title of the project, Free Energy Generator. The title of the project violates the law of conservation of energy. The law of conservation of energy states that energy can never be created nor destroyed. It can only be changed from one form to another. Now, if we are calling the project Free Energy Generator, it means that there is energy somewhere which is free, of which there is no free energy. Energy is only stored in a form of potential energy in objects or kinetic energy in objects. We don't have a place where we can be able to tap free energy. According to the speculations that have been speculating about this project, the proponents of the project proclaim that the energy is obtained from permanent magnet. Then the right title for this project, if it was the right project, it would be permanent magnet generator, not free energy generator. If you are obtaining energy from somewhere, like for example, if you are obtaining energy from solar, then the project should be solar energy project. If you are obtaining energy from biogas, then the project should be named biogas project. If you are obtaining energy maybe from diesel, like we have diesel generators, then we should just call the project diesel engine generator. The name Free Energy Generator does not make sense. After going through various videos of Free Energy Generator, this is what I learned these people were thinking. Number one, Free Energy Generator is two motors coupled together, where one motor operates as a motor and the other one operates as a generator. And this is how they operate. The machine operating as motor is rotated by use of an external force first, either through a battery or through another mechanical force. Then when it is rotated, because of that coupling, it rotates the other machine that we are calling generator. When the machine that we are calling generator is rotated, according to the Faraday's law of electromagnetism, we know that when conductors cut electromagnetic field, EMF is induced. So EMF is induced in that generator. So the terminal of the generator is coupled to the terminals of the motor, and when they are coupled, because generator has introduced EMF, current flows to the armature windings of the motor. When the current flows to the armature windings of the motor, then the motor starts rotating, now using the current from the generator. When that process peaks, we remove the mechanical force and let the machine operate by its own. And the proponent says that the energy is infinite. The generator part, we have permanent magnets that have been coupled together with the field windings to increase the field excitation, so that field excitation may be able to produce higher voltage, and it is in this higher voltage that is able to probably power the loads and also rotate the motor. First watched the video on the free energy generator, I was convinced that it is a very good project and I wanted to try it. But afterwards I started thinking scientifically. When I just took the law of conservation of energy and placed it in the project stopped making sense. Number one, according to the law of conservation of energy, if you have a machine, the machine efficiency can never be 100%. It will always be less than 100%. And what does this mean? If this machine is operating another load, then the energy of the load should be less than the energy of the machine. Now let us come to our free energy generator, where the motor is rotating the generator, and the generator is feeding current to the motor. Let's look at it this way. According to the law of conservation of energy, the motor that is rotating generator should be of high power than the generator. Now if that is the case, it means now that this motor that we are using for rotating the generator has higher power than the generator that we are rotating. If that is the case, then it means that the energy that is being produced by the generator cannot be enough to rotate the motor again, and now that makes the project invalid. So as we dive in this world of innovation, I would like us to dive very cautiously. Number one, if you don't have scientific background, you will have hard time in the innovation background as far as electrical is concerned. I would like you to be a scholar, read scientific principles, understand all scientific principles, so that when any person puts any video in the YouTube in the name of project, you can be able to analyze it and see whether it can work or not. Number two, the source of information should be the right source of information. There are many quacks here outside. Make sure that the person you are listening has background of whatever he is saying. First, check out whether they have gone to school. Check out whether they know anything about science. If they don't know anything about science, they are just scammers in the YouTube who are looking for views. Do not support wrong content. Support content that will help others. Supporting wrong content means that the other people are going to be misled, because many people will tend to view the content that has been viewed by many, and sometimes that is the wrong way of doing things.